In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a YouTube thumbnail using Microsoft Designer in just 5 minutes. Creating an engaging thumbnail is key to attracting viewers to your video, and with Microsoft Designer, you can do it with ease and efficiency. First, let's get started by opening your web browser. In the search bar, type in Microsoft Designer and hit Enter. Whether you're using Chrome, Firefox, or any other browser, you'll soon find yourself on the main Microsoft Designer web page. The next step is crucial. Locate the Sign In button at the top right corner of the page. Why is signing in necessary? By signing in, you unlock the full features of Designer, ensuring you can save your work and access a wider variety of tools. Now that you're logged in, keep your eye on the screen. Right next to the text that reads Microsoft Designer, you'll find an option to create with AI. Go ahead and click on that, then choose the option to work with images. Microsoft Designer's AI tools are particularly intuitive. They help streamline the design process by giving you a powerful starting point for your thumbnail. The next feature you'll see is Describe your image. Here, you can use your creativity to guide the AI. Let's put in a prompt for our example. YouTube thumbnail for a video on how to bake bread. This step leverages AI technology to generate design ideas tailored to your needs. Once you've pasted your prompt, find the Generate button and click on it. This will allow Microsoft Designer to work its magic and present you with several suggested designs. Browse through the gallery of thumbnails generated for you. Each one offers a slightly different style, allowing you to choose what best captures the essence of your video. Once you find a template that resonates with you, select it and then click Customize. This is where you bring your unique flair to the thumbnail. Add your own text, maybe a catchy title or subtitle, and if you have a specific photo or logo that complements your video, you can include that as well. After you've customized your design to perfection, it's time to turn it into a tangible file. There's a simple icon for this. Just click on Download. This saves your newly crafted thumbnail to your device, ready for upload to YouTube. And there you have it. In just a few minutes, you've created an eye-catching YouTube thumbnail using Microsoft Designer. This efficient process not only saves time, but also ensures your video stands out. Give it a try and watch the impact a good thumbnail can have on your viewership. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this tutorial helps you enhance your content in the ever-competitive world of YouTube.